Hello everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel Grow with Arnam. And this is Arnam. Today we are doing do while loop. Do while loop. A do while loop is similar to a while loop, except the fact that it is guaranteed to execute at least one time, unlike the for and while loops, which tests the loop condition at the top of the loop. The do while loop checks its condition at the bottom of the loop. The syntax of the do while loop is: first, we write the do statement, then we use the curly brackets, then we write the statement that is to be executed, and after exiting the do loop, we check the condition using while. If the condition is true, then we execute again the statement inside the do loop, or else we terminate. In the flowchart of this do while loop is given. First, the code block is executed by giving the input, then the condition is checked. If the condition is true, the code block is executed again, or if the condition is false, the uh, loop is terminated. The conditional expression appears at the end of the loop, execute once before condition is tested. If the condition is true, loop executes again, otherwise terminates. Here one example is given to print the number from 1 to 10 using do while loop. First we initialize I equals 1 and number equals 0. Then we print the statement, enter a number, and take the input from the user using scanf and put that number in the variable number. Then we write the statement do, and inside the curly brackets we write the executable code printf. Then we write number into uh, the percentage d, that is the I equals percentage d, and we put that in the next line. And then we are printing the I and number into I, and then we are incrementing the I. In this, the while, then we check the while, which is if the condition is true, that is less than 10, then the do loop will be executed again, or else the loop will be terminated, and then we will return the statement. The output of this code is given on the right hand side, where we have put the number 3 in the input, and the table is printed from 1 to 10. Thank you for your attention, and the notes and PPT will be available in the drive link in the description box.